Hello friends, welcome to Kamath Astrology, and in this episode we will see the important transits that are going to happen in December 2020. So be prepared for an action packed December 2020 and the year 2021 ahead. Om Namah Shivaya. So, the month of December 2020 is full of planetary transits, and a major solar eclipse involving 6 planets is going to occur on 14th December 2020. So, what you see on the screen right now is the position of the planets on 14th December 2020. So, you can see that there are 5 planets in the zodiac sign of Scorpio on 14th December 2020. And the solar eclipse on 14th December 2020 is going to occur in the sign of Scorpio. And this eclipse involves all the major planets, that is, the sun, which represents the soul, the moon, which represents the mind, the Mercury, which represents our intellect, our communication skills, our analytical ability, and Venus, which represents our partnerships and finances. All of these planets are involved in the eclipse on 14th December 2020. You can also see Rahu is diametrically opposite the sign of Scorpio and present in the sign of Taurus in the Mrigashira Nakshatra. So Rahu is also a participant in this eclipse. This is a very major solar eclipse because after this solar eclipse there are going to be major issues which will be exposed. Okay, major scandals will be exposed, and it is a time for transformation because Scorpio is the natural 8th house of the zodiac, and when Ketu is involved and causing this eclipse, definitely it implies that there is going to be a major transformation in the society in times ahead. So what you are going to see is an action packed month of December 2020 and January 2021. Now this eclipse has both good and bad things. The good thing is that it is going to cause a major transformation which will change the way we all perceive things. Many systems are going to change. For example, there will be many changes in the government, the financial system, the education system in times ahead. The negative aspect of this eclipse is that the effects of an eclipse last till the next solar eclipse. The next solar eclipse is now going to occur in June 2021. Okay, so till that time, there are drastic transformations. As I said, many scandals will be exposed. Many things which are hidden, they are going to come out. Since Saturn, the ruler of the 10th house, and Jupiter, the ruler of the 9th house, Saturn signifies karma, Jupiter signifies dharma. Both are going to be exactly conjunct in the sign of Capricorn at 6 degrees on 21st December 2020. And this is the day the line is drawn. Thereafter, the judiciary or Saturn becomes very strong and all the wrongdoings will be totally exposed. There will be struggles between the government and the masses across the world post 21st December 2020. It also implies a huge probability of earthquakes, cyclones, particularly in parts of North America, China, Turkey. When the Lord of Justice and the Lord of Dharma come together, it means that only people who are doing their karma in the right way by following Dharma will be able to sustain the impact of this grand conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter, which is occurring on 21st December 2020. And it is now a time for judgment. This is the time when Saturn will definitely give us the fruits of all our good karmas and bad karmas and transform the world in a major way. So now let us look at what transits are going to happen in December 2020. Now, on 11th December 2020, Venus or Shukra, who was till now in his own house in the sign of Libra, is going to move out and enter the sign of Scorpio or Vrishik. This means it is going to bring a stress on our finances and our partnerships in general. So we need to be very careful with respect to our relations, with respect to our finances, because Venus is going to participate in this eclipse on 14 December 2020. The second significant event, and in fact the most significant event, is the last solar eclipse of this year, which is going to occur on 14 December 2020. And remember, there are 6 planets involved in this eclipse, that is Ketu's, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rahu, and Mercury. And when 6 or more planets are involved in an eclipse, there is a drastic effect, like in the previous solar eclipse on 26 December 2019. There were 6 planets involved and it resulted in the occurrence of corona. So we can expect similar major events that are going to occur because of this solar eclipse on 14 December 2020. So in the month of January, I see several communal groups, several communal clashes, okay, and even events such as earthquakes and cyclones which are going to come. But all this is for the betterment of society, for the good of the world in general, because these events are going to transform the society completely. Lot of scandals will be exposed because of this eclipse. Lot of hidden things, especially by people in the government, people in high positions, senior people, people in authority, are now going to be exposed completely, and it will result in a complete transformation of the society. The third major event is that the 2 planets, that is Sun, is going to move from Scorpio into the sign of Dhanu on 15th December 2020. This is also going to be a Sankranti. And Mercury is also going to move from the sign of Scorpio into the sign of Dhanu on 17th December 2020. Now, why is this transit so important? Because both these planets are going to cross a junction called as Gandanta. Gandanta is the junction between a fire sign and a water sign. We know that Scorpio is a water sign and we know that Sagittarius is a fire sign. So whenever a planet moves from a water sign to a fire sign and simultaneously changes a Rashi and a Nakshatra, it is said to be in Gandanta. Gandanta is the point where fire meets water. What happens when fire meets water? Obviously there is smoke, there is steam. Okay, so when these 2 major planets, that is the Sun and Mercury, are going to cross Gandanta around 15th and 17th December 2020, there are going to be major events in the world. We can also see that the grand conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter is going to occur in the sign of Capricorn or Makar on 21st December 2020 at 6 degrees, exact 6 degrees. Okay, and there will be a major transformation in the world because of this event, as I mentioned earlier. Another major transit that is happening in December 2020 is the transit of Mars from the sign of Pisces or Mean into the sign of Aries. Again, Mars has to cross the Gandanta, that is the boundary between a fire sign and a water sign. We know that Pisces or Mean is a water sign and Aries is a fire sign. And when a fiery planet like Mars represents aggression, dominance, power, violence, when it is going to cross the Gandanta and enter into its own house of Aries, this planet can trigger violent events in the world. Okay, so when Mars is going to transit the Gandanta, definitely something big is likely to happen. And we can see that the date for this event, where Mars is transiting into his own house of Aries, is around 24th December, 25th December. Okay, so in this period, my advice to people is please don't go out on travels. Especially do not travel in an aeroplane or do not travel over water bodies. Okay, because there is a possibility of plane crashes, okay, incidents within the sea such as cyclones, storms, etc. So avoid all such travel during this period. So for the period between 14th December and 31st December, avoid maximum travel. Even though this is the New Year time, this is Christmas time, it is better you stay home, stay safe. Lastly, one important transit which is not happening in December 2020, but it is going to happen around 27th January 2021. It shows the movement of Rahu from the Mrigashira Nakshatra into the Rohini Nakshatra in the sign of Taurus. Rahu brings about a major transformation whenever he moves into the nakshatra of Rohini. Because when Rahu changes his nakshatra, even Ketu is going to move into the next nakshatra, that is from Jeshta to Anuradha. Okay, and this is also a period when I see especially the region of West Bengal under a lot of turmoil. So there may be a lot of communal clashes, frictions in this Bengal area around January 2021. So we need to be very careful during this transit of Rahu into the nakshatra of Rohini in January 2021. Now guys, although I have told you all these events which we can foresee in astrology, it is not that bad really. Okay, because of these events there are major transformations which are going to happen in society. A lot of corrupt governments across the world will be exposed. Lot of politicians, lot of corrupt people who are indulging in wrongdoings, they will be completely exposed because of these transits, and also the grand conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter starting 21st December 2020. So friends, be prepared for an action-packed December 2020. Also in December 2020, avoid taking major decisions because almost all the planets, that is 6 planets out of 9, are involved in this solar eclipse. So if you want to avoid a lot of trouble, do not take major decisions during this period. Instead, be patient, stay calm, do meditation, do mantra practice, and do donations to the poor. This will help you overcome the bad effects of the solar eclipse, and it will transform your life completely. So friends, this is my analysis of the transits of various planets, the grand conjunction that is going to occur in December 2020. I have made a separate video on the solar eclipse that is going to occur on 14th December 2020. Do visit our channel Kamath Astrology in YouTube and have a look at that video. Now if you like this video, please mark it as liked on YouTube. If you have any queries, if you need any consultation, please email us at astrosevaworld@yahoo.com and we'll be glad to assist you. To know more about us, you can visit our website astroseva.tripod.com. So friends, thanks a lot. Stay home, stay safe. We'll see you soon shortly with another video. Till then, bye. Take care.